Namaskar, I'm Sharat Mohanty. I'm a senior advisor to Singapore Odia Society. So first of all, welcome. It's a big day for Singapore High Commission and Singapore Odia Society, as well as GIIS and OWIS School. As you can see, Singapore Odia Society and Indian High Commission have jointly collaborated to showcase the various aspects of art, craft, culture, food to bring into Singapore, not only to showcase them among the Singaporeans, but also to make sure that the new generation in Singapore stay connected to the roots of India and so Odisha. At GIIS, the student had an opportunity not to eat some of those food, but also had an opportunity to participate in the workshop.
And it is a very good experience for all of us. We are proud that we are part of this event.
Myself, Ratna Prabha Nayak from Odia Society of Singapore. आज जो ये वर्कशॉप था बहुत ही अच्छा था क्योंकि जो ओडिशा की शेफ आए हुए हैं और ओडिशा के फूड ही बना के हमको सिखाया कुछ भी.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Dipti. I'm from Odisha and I'm so happy to come here and everyone likes the food and the dishes are also very simple and easy and quickly make at home.
My experience in attending this workshop was very nice. I come to know about the Odisha cuisine. Though I am Indian, I know very little about other cuisines of India. So it was very nice experience.
My name is Anvesha Acharya. I am an IB 1 student. And for me, this workshop was an opportunity to connect with my culture. Since I'm Odia, the connection with my food and my culture and my people, it was a wonderful experience. In addition, I'm the president of the Culinary Club and we've always had workshops like this. For example, in January, we had the Chinese New Year in which we made suji cookies for the Chinese students of our school. It's been a wonderful opportunity to really understand my roots.
I am Sambit Chef Sambit from Sambit Bhubaneswar, working as an HOD in F&B management, and this is for the promotion of Odisha cuisine and to make other people in Singapore to understand about the spices, the ingredients, the popular dishes of Odisha. So this is organized by the High Commission and the Singapore Odia Society in a very meaningful way, and I know that everybody is taking advantage of it and joining the program.
Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. I am Subrat Nayak, President of Odia Society of Singapore. So this year, in collaboration with Indian High Commissioner to Singapore and Global Indian International School, we are promoting our handicrafts and we are doing a food festival. So we have invited many guests here to have a glimpse of our tourism and our artifacts so they can be inspired and they can, of course, visit to Odisha.
My name is Mikhail and I'm from Gardens by the Bay, and I'm really thankful to be invited to this event. I was allowed to experience some of the cultural heritage of Odisha, somewhere where I wasn't so familiar with, and it's so nice to see the colorful textiles, some of the bronze casting and the intricate artwork that you see over here.
Hi, my name is Ullas from the Singapore Malayali Association. This is the first time that I'm enjoying a complete Orissa style food, and it was really fascinating. And there are so many different ethnic cultural things that needs to be celebrated across, and especially in Singapore, in a multicultural vibrant society, it is very important that we celebrate such festivals.